All right, so now that we have created a thesis in our first post to our Socratic seminar discussion, the next thing we need to do is practice a counterclaim rebuttal for the second part of our Socratic seminar. So if you look at the notes up here, right, under this section it has the claim, which is the same claim from earlier. eSchool provides a better system for DSST students to learn. Right? The counterclaim is in-person school provides a better system for DSST students to learn. Remember, the claim and the counterclaim must be different from each other. When we now go into the evidence must, in order to do a counterclaim rebuttal, you have to actually pull evidence or have evidence from the counterclaim. Then, instead of proving that evidence right, you're actually going to prove that evidence incorrect, and thereby proving the counterclaim incorrect. So I want you to fill in a couple notes over here on the right. The counterclaim evidence must support, it always supports the counterclaim, which seems a little backwards, but remember, you're proving it wrong. The second piece of this is in your counterclaim rebuttal, you're going to summarize the counterclaim and then prove the counterclaim and evidence wrong. Okay, so please make sure that you have those copied into your notes. Now I'm going to type in what that would look like if I were actually providing a counterclaim rebuttal. So the first thing I'm going to do is explain what the evidence suggests. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to say that the evidence, because it talks about the challenges of e-learning, well, the evidence suggests there are many challenges to e-school. It is incorrect because, and now I want to think about why that evidence would be incorrect. I think like in our current world with our current pandemic, we only have the option of e-school, so even if it's not perfect, it's better than nothing. So now I need to formulate that into a response. So it is incorrect because e-school is the only, and you should be typing this into your response as well, is the only option for learning during a pandemic. So it will still allow for students to learn even if the system is not perfect. All right, so when I look at this counterclaim rebuttal, I'm summarizing what the evidence is saying up here, right? And then I'm proving that evidence wrong using reasoning and logic, which is reflected in the second part of this sentence, right? That is how you create an effective counterclaim. An effective counterclaim rebuttal.